I just wanted to show you guys how to use the math equation feature in Canvas if you don't already know how to do so. So the quiz that you're going to have today, you're going to be given it in the format of like an essay question. So it's going to be structured something like this, where you'll have a question written here, which will be one of the things we went over. And then your answer you're going to put in here. So what we're going to do is you're going to click here and you're going to choose this button, the Insert Math Equation. Okay, so once you hit that, you're going to get to this screen. Most of the things that we've dealt with are fractions. So if we want to put in our answer that's a fraction, you're going to click the fraction. From here, you can type in whatever your answer is. If you have an exponent, you can use either the superscript button or you can use the caret button on the keyboard. So if I had x squared, I could either hit x superscript, which brings it up to the exponent. I can put the 2 in. To bring it back down, I'm going to hit the right arrow on my keyboard, and I could keep typing this expression. So if I had, I don't know that. If I want to get to the denominator, I'm just going to hit the down arrow on my keyboard. If I wanted to do the exponent without using the superscript button here, I could just do X and then use the caret key on my keyboard, and then do squared and then bring it down and write whatever else I had. When we go to put in our domain restrictions, so I'm just going to hit space. It doesn't matter how many times you hit space. I just want to kind of see it separately. We're going to do X, or whatever the variable is of the denominator, and hit the relationships button here, and we're going to click on not equal to. So remember, your restrictions are what X or whatever the variable is cannot be. So we're going to say X cannot equal, and then that's when we put in what we get when we solve for the denominators. So I'm just going to make this up: 2, 4, and -1. Okay, so as long as you have it set up something like this, that's good. I don't care about the spacing, however you kind of want to type it in, but make sure that you type it into the math equation feature here. Once you're happy with what you have, you're going to hit Insert Equation, and it's going to put it right here for you. So what I don't want you doing is typing things here. So if you try to make a fraction here, 2x plus 5, oops, over whatever, like you can type an answer here, but it doesn't look as nice as something like this, and it's a lot easier to kind of write it this way. So make sure when you're typing it in, start with Insert Math Equation, type it in, hit Insert Equation, and then move on to the next question.